We all are aware of how popular herbs has become in recent times. That is because a lot of people are making use of it every day and they are seeing results, they are seeing significant changes in their hair. Today I'll be sharing with you one of my recipe I use to grow out my hair very long. If this sounds like something you'd be interested in, do consider watching this video to the end. God is our refuge and strength, an ever-present help in trouble. Psalm 46 verse 1. I have people ask me, what did you do to grow your hair? This is basically how my hair looks like every day of my life. So one time I had a friend make a nasty comment about how my hair looked. She was like, I have never seen you with any fine hair. You always make weird hair and they're always looking tacky and old. Well, that didn't get to me because we are not running the same race. Anyone who is not into the same thing will probably not understand your decision. Let's get into the business of today. So this is my jar that I'll be using, all washed and clean. So my first ingredient will be moringa. Moringa has numerous benefits to the hair. Moringa strengthens the hair follicle. It promotes hair growth. Moringa enhances collagen production. It is a source of iron and zinc. Moringa contains antioxidant property. Moringa soothes scalp irritation, also fights dandruff, prevents hair loss. Moringa contains a lot of vitamins and minerals. Vitamin B complex, vitamin B1, B2, B3, B6, B7. It contains folic acid. Our next ingredient is clove. Clove stimulates blood circulation to the scalp and promotes hair growth because of the eugenol content in it. Cloves contain antioxidants such as vitamin C and beta-carotene, which helps prevent hair loss and premature graying. Cloves can strengthen the hair follicle, reduce hair loss, promote thickness and healthier hair. Clove also maintains healthy scalp, preventing bacteria and fungi from hindering hair growth. Cloves contains vitamin A, C, and K. It also contains iron and potassium. Our next ingredient is bay leaves. Bay leaf strengthens the hair. It contains vitamin A, C, K, iron, which help reduce hair fall and strengthen the hair strands. Bay leaves can help balance the oils on the scalp. Bay leaves contain antibacterial and antifungal property that can help reduce dandruff, fight scalp inflammation, scalp itchiness, and fungi on the scalp. Bay leaf rinse can add natural shine and smoothness to hair. Bay leaves also stimulate hair growth. Our next ingredient is fenugreek. Fenugreek promotes hair growth. It stimulates the scalp follicle. Fenugreek is rich in antioxidants and fatty acids that helps nourish and moisturize the hair. Fenugreek reduces hair fall by strengthening the hair from the root. Fenugreek contains antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties that can help soothe an itchy scalp. Fenugreek contains proteins and nicotinic acid. It also contains vitamins and iron that can help promote hair growth. Fenugreek has so many benefits for hair and skin. No wonder the Indians use it a lot. So our next ingredient is rosemary. Rosemary improves blood circulation to the scalp, potentially nourishing the hair follicle and promoting hair growth. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce scalp irritation, which contributes to hair loss and hair thinning. Rosemary can potentially speed up hair growth. It promotes healthier and thicker hair. Rosemary provides nutrients for healthy hair growth. It nourishes the scalp and prevents hair loss. Rosemary also prevents premature graying, reduce breakage, and add shines to hair. Rosemary is also known as a DHT blocker, which is a hormone responsible for hair loss. This hairspray contains a lot. It contains a DHT blocker, it contains a moisturizer, it contains something that can stimulate your scalp for hair growth. So it is packed with essential nutrients that take care of the health of your hair, reduce hair fall, prevent premature graying, excellent for hair health. Okay, so this is all in one. I went in with my hot water like I always do. This process, we are going to be doing an infusion. We are going to infuse it overnight. So that is exactly what I'll be doing. I just poured in my hot water and I will allow it to sit for 12 hours, which is the following day, because I like to infuse my herbs overnight. So this is me just stirring everything up to make sure all my herbs are combined before I go ahead and set it aside so it will do its thing. If you don't have 12 hours, you can go ahead and just boil this up by putting it into a pot. So this is what our herbs looks like after 24 hours. The moringa has settled under. You can see the water on top. It has changed its color, showing that the herbs has properly infused inside it. So the next step is for us to strain it. So I need you to pay attention to see how exactly I strained it, because there's moringa powder inside of it, and you know they come in small particles, so it is important to strain it well. I will use a strainer first to strain it to remove the large particles before I go ahead and use a cheesecloth to remove the smaller particles that got into our spray. So that is what we'll be doing now. So just keep watching, okay? If this video resonates with you, if you're into DIY, please consider giving this video a like. Do comment if you have any opinion or anything you want to add to this. Please, I will really appreciate it. So now I folded my cheesecloth. The reason why I did it like this is because I need to get out every little less particles inside this thing. So I folded it into, I think, 4 parts. This is me straining it, and as you can see, the water is so clear. There's no particles inside because I made sure I took out everything. I'm going to be showing you what I got out, because I swear to God, I did a very good job in straining this thing. I didn't want any particles inside. So this is what I got out. This is basically the moringa. I told you the moringa is in powder form, so there's a probability that it will still be inside the water. So this is the second layer of the fold. This is the second layer of the cloth. As you can see, there's still herbs there, and this is the third. This is the third. You can see there's still more herbs. There's still small particles inside. That's why I had to fold it 4 times, so to make sure nothing is getting into our spray. Okay, and this is the last. As you can see, it is clear, which means what entered into our spray bottle is very clear. There's no particles inside. So you should also do yours like this. Now let me show you how I use this on my hair. I believe by now nobody is having the doubts that I use whatever I make on this channel. So that is the reason why I always make use of everything I make, so you all can see that, yeah, I use it. I'll just go ahead and apply this line by line on my cornrow, making sure it is touching my scalp. Then I go ahead and use my hand and massage it. So this is basically the routine I take whenever I'm on cornrow, not just on cornrow, any protective style. I make sure I leave my hair moisturized every single time, so to keep the hair growing. So this is basically all I do. People do ask me, what did you do? So this is it. If you've been watching my video, this is how I grow my hair. I put my hair in a protective style, and then I moisturize it while it is in that protective style using herbs. So this answered your question if you're wondering why my hair is so thick or so long. So this is it. If you're watching my videos, if you've seen the herbal remedies that I do on my channel but you're not trying it, please, why are you watching the video if you're not going to try it? I only upload this video so someone can try it and come back and come and give me their reviews, because it actually work. Yes, herbs work, because a lot of people have used this and they can testify to that it work. Not just me, okay? I have been using herbs for so many years now, and it has done really fine on my hair. So if herb is not working for you, please know that it's not all the herbs that will work for everybody. But then something had to work for you. If you've been trying all this DIY you come across and nothing is working for you, I suggest you check your health. Check if the essential nutrients you need for your hair to grow is actually there. I need you to know that hair growth is more than just what you put on your scalp. You need to also check your health, the internal factors too. This is a reminder to all the girlies out there taking part in the 2025 challenge 6 inches, or any girlie out there who just started their hair growth journey. I want you to keep up the good work you're doing. One day you're definitely going to see the results. Just keep doing what you're doing, keep taking care of your hair, keep nourishing it. Whatever you put in work, you're going to see the results, okay? If you're an OG on this channel, you already know how we do it. But if you don't, after application of water, after splitting my hair with the water, I'll go ahead and apply a leave-in conditioner. Do not skip that. It is very important to use a leave-in conditioner to avoid dryness, okay? Because some of these herbs actually dry out your hair if you don't use a leave-in conditioner. So do not skip that. So you will not say you use this herb and it started breaking your hair. So you need to make sure you're doing it the right way. After applying your leave-in conditioner, you will then go in with a butter to trap in the moisture. You can also use an oil as a sealant. Use oil like coconut oil, olive oil, heavy oils that can seal in the moisture. If after moisturizing you use a leave-in conditioner without using an oil or a butter to seal it in, before 2 hours or even less, your hair will be so dry. That is because the moisture you just put in has escaped, because you did not create a barrier in between it. So another thing I do is to use my scalp brush to move my scalp around. This is also circulating blood to my scalp. This will also help your hair grow even faster. So it is not compulsory you use a scalp brush. You can also use your finger. Then I go ahead and braid my hair up and then tuck it in. The reason why I'm doing this is so it will not be rubbing off on my shoulder or couch or any other places, okay? This is me trying to protect my ends from breaking. Thank you for watching. See you in my next upload. Do have a lovely day. Bye.